Aditi here. I hope you can hear me speak. I'm in the middle of the road, about to go to an ATM, so I'm going to do some basic adulting today. I'm going out with mom to buying some groceries for the house. Hey guys, so right now I'm in supermarket and doing some grocery shopping.
Hey guys, so it's morning around 7:45 a.m. Every now and then my room gets really messy, especially after shoot. So messy and have to clean it up. I'm gonna show it to you. Don't freak out, you guys. Oh my god. Exactly how messy everything is. Now I have to clean all of this up, otherwise I'll not have place to set my foot in. Not just that, I have to sweep the floor and I also have to change my sheets and take bath and so much of adulting stuff I have to do.
So before I go ahead and wash my hair, I'm gonna sweep everything off and try to get all the dust that's accumulated here. And you might be shocked as to how much dust is gonna be there. The entire room looks pretty clean, right? All the flooring looks very shiny and very clean, right? But it's been like 4 days since I actually swept the floor. So right now I'm going to sweep the floor, and this is the old, ugly old broomstick that I'm going to use now. How the floor was shiny and all nice and clean, right? But when I swept the floor, these are all the dust I could gather. It's all fine dust and it gets very, very, very difficult to clean it up. Now if you see the floor still looks the same. It looks like clean and all of that, but I gathered so much dust. Just sweep it all up and tackle this thing out right now. Hey guys, so right now I'm in farmer's market. The veggies are really fresh and they're really good, you guys. just now reached home after shopping in the farmers market. It was amazing. I'm so blessed to be living in such a beautiful city. As you can see, the vegetables are really fresh because they directly bring it out here and sell it, and it's an amazing thing, and it's very cheap and very good quality. The best part is you have to carry your own bag. There are no plastics, there are no covers given, so which is amazing. But the only thing that was disturbing was people who are actually bargaining to those people. I felt really bad, those people are really genuine. They're giving food. Whole life is based on food. Bargaining for 10 rupees, 12 rupees, 13 rupees, I think it's really pathetic. Malls sell stuff for like 1,299, 1,599. Even the stale in a mall, they charge like 150 plus taxes and everything. It comes to 200 rupees, which is totally unworth it. Whereas this amazing vegetable that can give you all the nourishment for the body is so cheap. Tell your mom and dad or tell your relatives not to go and bargain so much with those farmers who are genuinely trying to sell some good stuff that are really good for the body.
This video is all about the adulting stuff video, or aka the real life behind the scenes. So there's been a lot of things on social media where having a cute room, a wardrobe full of amazing clothes, or just having a picture perfect skin and body and look is all that is all about. But then the work that goes behind it is really a lot of it, you guys. This is the real life, the shopping and the fashion and all of that is just a minute part, and this is reality. I just want to give you a simple thing, like do not get carried away with Instagram and YouTube and how the people live and all of that. Behind the scenes is really tough and really difficult. So this is a simple video where I want to share the real life scene of myself. At least this is the life that I live. It's a very simple normal life girl that I clean and do all my stuff by myself. It takes like a minute to click picture of a beautiful room, but it takes like 2 to 3 hours solid to maintain that room and to keep that room looking that good. And also takes a lot of money and a lot of effort in getting a room set up like that. So it's really not easy and it's really not fun. It's all a part of work. That's why people actually like spend money and buy some nice clothes. It's all a part of work. That is why they get stuff to arrange a room like that. Because if I weren't on YouTube, I wouldn't bother. If you had seen my room tour video, I showed you where I was sleeping. So that's exactly how my room used to be, provided if I was not on YouTube. Just don't get carried away. Just do your own thing. Do not worry about what people think of you or what others have and what you don't have. Just be happy with what you want. This year has been a great year in terms of my spiritual health and mental health and all of that. It's been a great, amazing year. Entire year, I've been following a certain kind of lifestyle and a certain kind of living and thinking and everything, and it has been the best year ever possible. I'm talking about not the material achievement or the success achievement or any number of subscribers or views or anything of the sort. I'm talking about my personal life, personal interior life, inner self, where I feel really accomplished. 2019 has been the best year for me in terms of self-discovery, self-realization and all of that, which is why I started my second channel. In case if you don't know about my second channel, I'm gonna leave the link of the channel in the description tab below. Make sure to check that out. But unfortunately, I couldn't make more videos on it because I don't know, something or the other came popping up. From 2020, I am planning and I am focusing on making more videos just on that topic, because that channel's goal, my second channel goal, is all about helping girls like me to have a better life, peaceful and a more happier life, and not to be caught up on this so-called show-off world where everything is made for money, everything is made for just for show-off. Nothing is real. So I want to keep the channel 125% real, just keeping it completely real, helping you guys. So I've been following the technique for almost a year in terms of my mental health, in terms of my inner self and self-discovery. This has been the best year ever so far in my life. So I want to share that with you. Like topics include like not just about sharing my life, but also helping you guys to know, like teaching you guys tips and ideas on what I did to overcome not getting irritated over small things, and how to stop being annoyed for every single thing. The topics that are very gentle, very something that everybody knows but everybody fails to implement it. Those kind of topics I really wanted, because I've been through that and I've done that and I've successfully done that for a year. So I think I'm quite capable of sharing those stuff with you guys right now. Make sure to hit the subscribe icon on my second channel and do support me, you guys. Of course, the fashion video is definitely gonna be there. I do love fashion, I do love clothing, I do all the stuff that I actually do now. So this channel is always gonna be there, and in fact it's gonna get more better. But then that channel is all about my real self, real inner self. So I hope you liked my different phase of me. So I'm planning on sharing more of these real life things behind as well in coming year. Not forget to share this video with all the girlfriends, and a very happy new year to every single one watching my channel. I'll see you again coming Friday with a brand new video, that is Jan 3rd. So do not forget to check out my channel for that. And by the way, do not forget to subscribe my second channel as well. I'm going to link it down below. So until then, your girl Aditi signing off. Take care. Bye bye.
If you want to constantly stay in touch with me apart from YouTube, follow me on my Instagram at AdityIyer. My Instagram username is given here, just follow me there. Do not forget to hit the bell icon while you're subscribing to my channel so you can watch all my videos directly on Adityvlogs with just one click, and it's absolutely free. One of the circle is for this current channel and the other circle is for my second channel. Take a second to hit on those circles. You're going to get instantly subscribed to my channel for free so that you can get all my videos directly onto the phone. Thank you so much for staying in on. Bye.